the 9th of April, 2024. Albéa C&F, a long-time expertise for even more responsible lipsticks. Creating and manufacturing cosmetic packs for makeup, skincare and fragrances that are both desirable and responsible is the driving force behind Albéa Cosmetics and Fragrance. As the must-have beauty product, lipstick is doing well and has a bright future ahead of it. By 2026, the market is expected to grow by over 15% worldwide. At Albéa Cosmetics and Fragrance, the manufacturing of lipsticks has been a core expertise of the company